In this video, we're gonna go through 5 user experience checklists to audit your website in minutes. No matter if you have an e-commerce site or a B2B site, it's important that you go through these 5 steps.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the notification icon below. We upload videos every week.
It's really important as a business owner to really make sure that you have a nice website. It doesn't even matter if you're running a business or if you have an in-house team or an agency working for you. It's important that you know how to supervise your website. And in this checklist, we're gonna go through those 5 points that I believe will improve your website. So the number one, you can visit PageSpeed. It's a free tool. So my number one suggestion will be to go to this website and just check the speed of your website. It's important that you know if your website is loading in less than 3 seconds. Normally that's the average. It's really important that you keep your loading speed under 3 seconds. Other than that, users are just gonna bounce out of your website. My second tip will be to check all your call to actions. Make sure that your CTAs or call to actions a clear message. Call to action could be a contact us button or a free quote or something like buy now. That will be your call to action. Normally we don't look at this, and we should have different call to actions. In terms of how many call to actions you should have per page, it's important that you keep one call to action at all times visible on your page, so that when users are scrolling up or down, they can see that call to action, and if they want to take action, they can just click on it. Review your brand story. It's really important that you just don't have text on your website, but you tell a brand story that where you can build your brand and you can increase your awareness. So if you have a landing page that says just welcome to my web page, that wouldn't be a nice heading. So you wanna do your research and try to come up with search key terms, and then have a really good balance between the search key terms that you find and you want to include on your title and the brand concept that you have. Number 4 will be the mobile site. You need to review the mobile site. Half of the visitors, or now over half of the visitors normally, if you're in a B2C environment, comes from mobile. So you want to make sure that your mobile site is working. Right now I'm giving you this site from Google. Google has a lot of free tools that you can just review your mobile site and make sure that your users are looking the right way at your site. Remember, you might have a really good smartphone, but your audience might not have that iPhone and or that latest version. It might not be looking at your website the same way that you're looking at. So that will be my number 4. Number 5 will be to check the spacing between the text and the different sections on your website, especially on mobile. So what happens is that if you want to click, sometimes if you have the buttons or the text too close to each other, it's really hard to click on your device. So you want to see that your website has clear space between the different sections, the paragraphs, and the different graphics, so that it's not only easy to interact with it, but it's also easy to look at your content and read the content. A good example is apple.com. This website is really minimalistic, so you can really see the white spaces between the lines, and this helps a lot because it's very easy to read. And these are the 5 recommendations that I have for you today, and just read our blog post. We also have an infographic for you guys. Thank you for watching.